Yes, my people, back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, like all the hundreds of videos I've posted before, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. We've got more New Balance takeover. It's just all New Balance at the moment, to be honest. We love New Balance. Simple plain box. I'm not going to talk about too much before people complain. And let's get straight into this. The New Balance tissue paper. And the shoe, the 1906U. I love this shoe, man. What a colorway, what a colorway. Just have a look at that, people, man. So on the bottom, we've got that standard sole, which is also on the 2002R, 1906R, 1906U, whatever you want to call it. So we've got the black, we've got bits of grey, and then we've actually got a yellow, like shank, or whatever you want to call it. Bits of grey there, and then a bit of yellow, black sole, standard. Then on the back, so the shank plate, and above the fake air bubble, or the fake shock, whatever you want to call it, is the yellow. Obviously the shock or the spring is in this like kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, this greyish, greenish, yellowish mix of rubber. On the back we've got plastic, then we've got some, looks like leather, tough leather here. We've got some mesh type of material back there. We've got some more synthetic leather. What the 1906R usually has is this like piece of string type thing that goes through the end, and it becomes like a lace hole, lace loop, whatever you want to call it. We've got more of this material, this kind of nylon. What this leather, this toe box, this like bit shows me or looks like the Nike tuned, same sort of kind of style, but I like it. It's a bit different, but yeah. Then on the inside, same as the other side, to be honest. And then we've got that little drop of yellow or grey midsole. The laces on these are like, actually the laces I actually lace swapped my other pair to be like. The tongues all got mesh on it. And yeah, these laces, I'll be honest, if you lace them to the top, you'll have no problem. If you like take them out of one loop and have it down, they're going to be way too long, so you might have to swap them with another lace. I don't know if I'm going to at the moment. And then on the inside it says New Balance 1906 neutral cushion. But yeah, I saw this pair online. I was like, oh, these are really good. Like, I really like what they did with just the little bits of yellow. It just pops so much. Like, it looks so good with the different shades of grey. So like 2-3 shades of grey, black, basically all black, and then the yellow. It just pops so much. It just looks so good on this shoe, and I really love, I love the way they look. So when I saw them online, I was like, oh, I have to get them, man, I have to. And then I ended up getting a pair. So the New Balance obsession does continue. There's been way too many New Balance releases which are just 10-10. Can't get them all, but trying to hopefully. But yeah, let me know what you think of this pair, people. I really like this colorway. Kind of easy to style, to be honest, with a black tracksuit, grey tracksuit, etc. However you wish to style it, you can. Very easy, even though they got the bit of yellow, but that won't make a big difference. I'll throw some outfits together probably and post it on the TikTok, so make sure you go follow over there. And yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm not going to waffle no more. Take care, my people.